was a good run this morning. We have some good weather right now, so I'm taking it for what it is. Now, I've been running pretty consistently these last few months. The first 6 months of this year were pretty much a wash. I didn't really have the drive to go outside and run. You know, doing my coffee table runs can only do so much, and our weather wasn't really the most perfect out there. But I dedicated this summer to kind of getting back out on the road and getting my body used to running, you know, out in the street again. Because, you know, once again, coffee table running doesn't really always cut it. But I'm really glad. If you follow me on Instagram, I usually put a story up showing how many miles I do for the day. It helps me keep accountable, but also kind of getting back into the groove of training. I usually run 4 times a week, and then 2 other days I'll do some sort of high intensity or some sort of strength training, and then have 1 rest day, which is usually on a Sunday. Which is great, as I'm hoping to complete a few running challenges here and there within the next 6 months or so. The first being the Tour of LA 555K, which is the Santa Monica Classic, which is actually in a few days as of this vlog. The Rose Bowl 5K, which is usually held in January, and then the LA Big 5K. Now, I've ran these races before. I did the 10K for the Santa Monica Classic last year. A couple years ago, I ran the Rose Bowl 5K with my good friends Ian and Jeannie, and of course this past March I ran the LA Big 5K for the 2nd time. So it's not that you haven't seen these races on this channel before, but this time around I'm gonna complete all 3 during this racing season, and if I do, I get a pretty cool challenge medal at the end of it. So I'm hoping to get that done. And then the other race challenge I will hopefully complete is the LA Double Play, which is completing the LA Big 5K and the LA Marathon. So watch out for that. And of course, running all these races helps me stay motivated into my training these next few months, and I'm looking forward to bringing you that journey as well. And of course, I'll put the link in the description if you want to check out all my previous running races that are connected to all this. I have no idea. This is usually my thing when I'm typing, when I'm showing my friends I'm typing. Anyways, and we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm looking forward to bringing you the Santa Monica Classic next week, so keep an eye out for that. Do like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, as you don't want to miss out on all our upcoming adventures, and there's gonna be plenty that will be coming, so trust me on that one. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.